Hello everyone, welcome to another Adobe After Effects tutorial. This one, I'm going to show you how to build or create masks inside After Effects, guys. It's actually quite simple to do the basics, so let's just skip and get right into this, all right? The first thing you want to do is you want to load in some footage. I've got some cool footage, I'll just run through it quickly here, of like asteroids in a space, and yeah, it's just, yeah, looks super cool, right? Well, excellent. Let's go ahead and start making some masks on it. Now, I've gone ahead and dragged and dropped it and put it in the little clip here, so we've got something ready to go. Let's just see how long it is. Not a big deal. Now, in order to create the mask, nice and simple, guys, you want to first off make sure and make double sure that you're clicked on your footage, and I'll show you why. If you click off the footage and you want to use a mask tool, like let's say an ellipse mask, just like that, you're not creating a mask, you're actually creating a shape layer. That's not what we want. If you click on the actual footage like that, and you go down and you drag down to say the ellipse tool, and you create it, you are going to see a mask. Presto, boom, we've got a mask. That is all there is to it in order to make a simple mask inside After Effects. Now, obviously, you can do a lot of really cool things. I'll show you a few of them. First off, you can, of course, make other styles of masks. Let's make a rounded rectangle. Okay, there's another mask. Let's just move it up. Yeah, sure, let's drop her down to there. Okay, that looks like a good place. Rounded rectangles, guys. You can go ahead and use any of these shape tools, and you can create any mask. Let's do a quick star here. Oh, ha! I caught myself. You see, I wasn't clicked on it. Oops. That was a shape effect. We don't want that. So I just made a nice simple star and click off, and boom, we've got all of these different masks. Now I'm going to delete them because there's only so much real estate. The second way to make a mask, and I find I use this the most, is you want to use basically you want to use the pen tool, and then you want to draw your own mask according to what exactly you want. So let's say we want like this little streaky thing here and nothing else inside of it. I would do something like this, and then I would come down to here, up to here, close the mask, and bang, that's masked out and everything else is black. Now, another thing I can show you here while I got you is you can go ahead and change the mask from, right now it's set to add, so it's adding, but if we want to create subtract, now we've taken that streak out of the footage and everything else is in there. You could probably come up with a lot of different reasons why you would want to do that, especially if you're deleting things out of the scene. So again, you can subtract or add. Also, you can click the invert button. They pretty much do the same thing, but yeah, there's another thing you can do. You can also go into the double click on these here, and let's just go here up to the pen tool. I'm going to drag it down and I'm going to convert to vertex tool. And let's go ahead and, sorry, got to click off, convert to vertex. Now, if I click on one of these points, and you're going to notice I'm going to make them Bezier curves. So now I can go ahead and double click on it. Hold on. Go back to the mask, to the pen tool, and you can go ahead and start making other various changes to it. So just something you want to keep in mind. You can go ahead and add in and convert vertexes and stuff like that if you want to make them like, instead of jaggedy, you want to make them all rounded and stuff like that. It's another option available to you. The last thing I'm going to show you while I got you is we can create masks and create masks inside of masks for like very cool effects. I'll show you an example. I'm going to go back to the ellipse tool and let's just draw a circle. I'm going to hold down shift to constrain proportions, and I'm going to draw a circle right in, not quite in the middle, but whatever, close enough, and kind of in the middle of the composition. Okay, so we've got our first mask. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on it, make sure I'm clicked on it. I'm going to draw a second circle inside of it, kind of like that, let's say. And I'm going to subtract that mask, and boom, we've got some really cool effect where we've got kind of like a lifesaver effect. So if I click off, there you go, guys. Look at that effect. We've got that, and that is just through using masks. Now, in the next couple videos, I'm going to show you to animate masks, do track mats, a few other things, but that's enough to get you rolling with the masking tool inside Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I'll be back soon with some more stuff. Cheers.